Welcome back to Kali Linux Tips, Tricks, and Technique. This is the sixth section, and we're going to be looking at our first arc in this section. The first video will be on NMap scanning. We're going to be scanning multiple websites. And also, we're going to be taking a look at a bash scripting code that is used to check if you have enough space storage on your Kali Linux. That is code surfing. And on the third video, we're going to be taking a look at enumerating users. We're going to be using the burp suite. We're going to be linking it with Firefox. And also on the fourth video, we're going to be taking a look at cracking passwords. And the last video will be on gaining access to sites. This is the first video, and this is NMap scanning. NMap is a free and open source scanner. It is used to discover hosts and services on a computer network. And NMap also sends specially crafted packets to target hosts and then analyze the response. It is mainly used for network discovery, and it is also used for security auditing. A file over here called website nmap.txt. We're going to be taking a look at that document. I have a list of sites over here. I have Facebook. Let me add youtube.com. Let me add amazon.com. Let's add Wikipedia. And I want you to know that this is just for demonstration, and this is just like practicing. Let's use soundcloud.com. All right, I think this is enough. We have Facebook, we have Google, we have Twitter, we have YouTube, we have Amazon, we have Wikipedia, Vimeo, and we have SoundCloud. We'll go right ahead and save that by clicking the Ctrl O on our keyboard, enter, and Ctrl X to exit. Now we have that over there. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to launch our NMap. We see NMap. We have an NMap. As you can see over here, when you launch your NMap, you have a list of things or tools, or I would say commands you can add to NMap whenever you want to scan a site or get a site IP address or whatever it is you want to do with NMap. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be scanning each website on our website nmap.txt. After saving this text file over here, we're going to be scanning this text file. Now, the way we're going to be doing that, we're going to be scanning the list of websites. The first thing we do is type in nmap with a dash, I, and L. Then we add our text file in it. You can end that at the tab completion without typing and doing any stressful stuff. So after doing that, you tap your enter. All right, you can see starting NMap 7.70, and this is going to scan through each website. Let me clear that off. And I think I need to stop. So I'm going to stop Tor. Our Tor ghost, I'll have to stop it also. Tor ghost, stop. That will stop our IP address. Let me clear that off. Now let's scan again. NMap -IL website, then enter. We have 78.73 done. We have 79.12 done. We have to wait for it. All right, let's wait. Let's close this. Remember, it's going to list each website on our text editor over here. $93.67 done. You can see we have 0 host completed. Still scanning each host. All right, here's our list over here. We have our list over here. You can see we have host is up. Latency is 0.11. Other addresses for Facebook not scanned. We have the RDNS. We have, you can see over here. For Google, you can see the address over here. we have the address for Google and not scanned. We have for Twitter, we have for YouTube, Amazon, Wikipedia, and we have for Vimeo, and we have for SoundCloud. So that is how you scan with NMap with text files. So if you want to use NMap more, you can just go to the main page of NMap, go through the list of commands that are there, and you can try them out. So that's all for this video, guys.